Good at and good in. What is the difference? Good at is used to describe a person's skills or proficiency in a particular activity, subject, or task. For example, Osimhen is good at playing the piano. Joshua is good at solving puzzles. Women are good at gossiping. Good in is used to describe a person's role or behavior within a particular context or situation. For example, Charles is good in class. Some doctors are good in emergency. JJ is good in midfield. When referring to skills and ability, use good at. But when referring to behavior or performance within a place or situation, use good in. I hope you learned something new.